back. And today, as you can see, I got this flawless baby doll curls, princess curls. This wig is glueless. Like, who told you that a glueless wig couldn't look this good? Like, do you see this? This thing is melted and it's completely glueless. No got to be sprayed. No got to be glue. No ghost bomb, bow hole, lace grip. None of that. Just straight Nairobi foam and an elastic band in the wig. That's it. That's it. But yeah, without further ado, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good. And I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but can handle the present.
See these princess curls? Like, baby boy.
I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I had I regretted it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know
So y'all, we got these bouncy princess curls. I'm not gonna comb them out right now because I have to do my face and I want to make sure that the curls hold up until I'm done. But yeah, this hair was beautiful. This hair was amazing. Like, guys, y'all just saw me curl this. Like, y'all saw it for yourselves. Like, the curls still here, still popping. I did this side way before I did this side. They still holding up. They pretty much look the same. I'm gonna leave all of the details in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this glueless tutorial. I just want to show you guys that it's completely glueless. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't tack the sides down because I did not need to. The way that the wig looks, it looks really, really natural to the point where I don't really even have to tack the sides down because this wig isn't going anywhere. Like, literally, even if somebody try to pull it off, it's not going nowhere. And this was like, the wig, putting on the actual wig took me at least like maybe 10 minutes, like with the baby hairs and everything. And curling, of course, took me more time because I had to hand curl each and every one with the flat iron pulling. So, you know, that took a little bit more. But to my ladies or my girls, gents, whatever, if you don't like putting on wigs and gluing them down, you do not have to. I literally put the elastic band in here and then that was it. If you need a video on how to do the elastic band, I could show you. I'm not a perfectionist with it yet. Like, I'm not perfect yet. I still have a few troubles here and there with the elastic band, but when I do it and I kind of take my time, I do it right. So clearly I did it right. It's seamless, the lace is thin, it blended perfectly. With this install with the glueless, you do not need the cap because you're not gluing it down. I literally showed you guys my part looks natural because I put concealer and I sprayed it. So this was like one of the easiest tutorials that I've ever done. It was really, really simple. No got to be sprayed, nothing, just foam and the elastic band. 2 things, that's it. Oh, 3 things in the wig, of course. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah!